Kind of looks like you're snagged on the bottom, but you know it's a fish.
I thought it was snagged on the bottom.
Okay. I believe you. Like I said, I'm just saying that because I just snagged up. Okay. Okay, now you almost got to hit it first shot, you. Because it will take off and you'll lose it. Just go ahead. Don't lose the rod. Well, that is a good one, dude. Get it? Okay, it's all right.
It's too deep.
Well, right. So, watch your pedals. Okay, you're good.
Oh my God!
What? Just don't worry about it. Dude, you got to get it right up to the sinker. Well, just, yep. Good job. Dude. Oh my gosh, you just spit out like a dozen crabs.
Oh my God!
Oh yeah, you got it. Did you get it? Did you get it?
I got him!
Okay, well make sure it doesn't rip off. Okay.
I got him!
Okay,
I got him
well,
right
hold
on the edge.
Well, that's why it's dangerous. Okay. Do. Just hold it. Wait, but if you got him on the edge, it's still dangerous, dude. Because we're going in, dude, I'm gonna hit it with another harpoon. I mean, you touch the leader, it's your fish. You know, you got it, so. I just don't want to get drifted out or we're gonna be fishing another 12 hours. Okay, forward. That is a good one on a Barbie Rod. You keep, no, you. Hold on. Come on, you. I know it's not easy. It's the fish. Okay, wait, hold on. I told you to get the buoy.
I know, but I couldn't.
Here. Okay, now slowly bring him up with the... Okay, now let's pedal forward, do the flattening thing. Okay, we got it. Yep.
Yeah!
All right.
Yeah!
Grab your buoy.
Okay.
Well, come forward. Don't do that.
Okay.
And Dan's the witness that you got it all. We got it on video too, but all right, here.
Man, 2 holes.
Okay, hold on. Okay, so now let's turn together, and we're gonna keep it between us. We got to get back. We are way back, you.
My fault.
Yeah, I mean we can.
Yeah. What's it?
That's gonna be a tough one to beat.
Oh my God! Itchiness was worth it.
Yeah, I mean it's not, you know,
It's
that's probably 40, 35.
Did you see how many crabs it spit out?
I know.
It
It's
was like
yeah, that's true. Now we're going by length, I think, unless